Hey, this is Joe Doman of Joe Knows Real Estate, powered by Remax Gateway. I'm here today with mortgage expert Leslie Wish from SunTrust Mortgage. Thank you very much for coming out today.
Thank you for having me.
And we're coming to you today from Creighton Enterprises, luxury model at Granada out here in Leesburg. So a big thank you to Creighton Enterprises. Today we're going to talk about what we originally would have talked about were the top 5 reasons of why you should hurry up and get an FHA mortgage right away. One of the 5 reasons, which is mortgage insurance premium, has just passed us within the past 7 days. So the mortgage insurance premium has gone up already, so it's a little bit more expensive to get an FHA loan than it was 10 days ago. So we're going to go through the other 4 reasons. So what are the other 4 reasons why people should get motivated?
Sure. The other 4 reasons, Joe, are that there is talk that FHA might be increasing their down payment requirements. And right now FHA requires a 3.5% minimum down payment, which is really fantastic. A lot of people still think that 20% is required for the down payment. Not so. There's talk that that will go to a 5% down payment, which is what conventional loans start at these days. There's also talk that interest rates are going to go up.
Sure.
So with interest rates going up due to inflation,
It's when, right?
it's a matter of It's a matter. Joe likes to say it's a matter of when, not if, and that is certainly true. So we're looking for interest rates to to go up towards the end of this year into 2012 for sure.
Sure.
Another reason is in the Washington, D.C. metro area, we're considered a high-cost area, as some other areas of the country are. And so with the housing market having such turmoil, the government approved us to go to loan amounts as high as $729,750, and that's when the big jumbo market kind of came crashing down to help kind of bridge that gap. Those limits are most likely going to be brought back to $625,500 in probably the October timeframe of this year.
Sure.
So there's not much time if you're in a higher, loan bracket and you really don't have a 10% down payment saved up. If your loan amount's going to be above $417,000, you really need to start thinking about an FHA loan and purchasing that property that you want to get into now. The last reason is that there's expected to be more increase in demand for FHA loans. So FHA has been kind of the savior of our mortgage market, I like to say, and everybody's kind of flocked to the FHA loan. We're doing over 40% loans in the FHA market, where 3 years ago we were doing 4%.
Right.
So
That's
FHA,
huge.
it's a big increase. So FHA's had to build up their reserve accounts in order to try and stay in business, so to speak. However, with conventional loans now being born out of the Dodd-Frank Act, maybe falling under what's called a qualified residential mortgage, which will be defined here shortly and probably put into effect by next spring of 2012. What that's going to do is tighten up credit standards for a lot of borrowers trying to get conventional loans.
Right.
So borrowers are going to want to go towards the FHA loans since they tend to have more flexible qualifying guidelines, and FHA and VA are going to be exempt from the qualified residential mortgage definition that the government is going to come up with here soon. So because FHA only has a certain allocation of money to lend on a yearly basis, and that's determined by Congress, if we've got more demand for the FHA loan, there's talk that FHA could run out of money, and until that's reallocated, people might be locked out of the market. So important to really consider these factors when you're looking to see if you're ready to get into the market.
So that's going to be the next big buzzword is QRM.
QRM, Qualified Residential Mortgage.
The next big buzzword.
You'll be hearing that on the news.
First.
That's right. That's right.
So those are the other top 4 things. So we're looking at a potential increase in down payment, increase in interest rates, the loan limits decreasing, and the big new buzzword QRM.
That's right.
All right. Well, thanks very much. I appreciate you coming out.
Thanks.
See you soon.